Hey guys, JHMiller01 here, and welcome back to another video. Back on the daily grind. I had to skip those 2 days over the weekend. I was actually gone fishing, and this video today is documenting one of those days. We had some of the craziest moments I have ever seen fishing. So let's just get right into it. I hope you guys enjoy. Sit back and relax, and here we go.
With the amount of grass out there, I wouldn't be surprised if one came up and just decimated that thing. Grassy all the way across this thing. It's just not all the way surface. There you go, that's a good hook set. How big is he? Yep. Come on, bring him up, bring him up. Not so easy. Pull down, just pull down a little bit. There you go. How about that net job? Dude, he choked that thing.
Frog, I can't even see the frog.
Dude, that is a chunk. It's gonna be shallow. It's probably gonna come out from that grass mat until it starts getting darker. Big one, net. He's in grass, I can't tell. I see him, he's in there. That is a guys, don't, everybody turn away. Everybody turn away. I just wish y'all understood.
I'm gonna tell Nate you need a net for.
I need some pliers. I need some damn pliers. Well, hey, man, I felt the bite, and I set the hook. I kid you not. I think. Oh,
That's about the size of the one I caught the other day.
I think it's a little baby. He's just ticking. He's going tick, 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 tick. I got him. Oh my god! I think he broke me off. He broke me off. No, he didn't. Did you see that line move?
No, but I saw the hook set.
Dude, that's a big fish. Oh, look. Bullfrog, bullfrog. Got him.
No way. Did you really just catch a bullfrog?
Second time ever, man.
Oh my god.
Oh. Oh, hey, bud. How are you doing, buddy? Okay, so here's what we're gonna do, bud. You're gonna sit right. Oh, you're gonna sit right there, and you're gonna let me grab you. No, no, you're not gonna do that. No, you're not. No, dude, what do you not get?
Ribbit. Imagine having like a fast boat out here without.
Oh! Oh! I have never in my life, dude. Dude, that nailed the out of me, dude. I looked up. I'm because that's the shallower part of the pond. There's more grass and sharks where those things come out of.
Oh!
Big fish. Go get him. We're covering him, baby. Go in the middle. Oh. Well, which one does he bite? I'm sorry, guys. If we get a hook set right here, man, I'm gonna be scared for my life. Oh, there he was! Oh, no way! No way! Oh my god! Oh shit!
Now, I just want to, I guess, clarify something real quick. So Ethan had cast it up there, right? Missed the fish. So we're all, freaking out. Let's cast up there. We all casted up there. All three frogs are in a perfect line. Mason's burning his back to the boat. He eats it at the boat. So we're freaking out about it. Then he misses it, right? So he didn't actually get the frog. So we're like, oh my god, that just happened. The fish turns around, goes to Ethan's frog, which bear in mind is straight lined down in the water. I mean, he's just holding his pole right there. Fish comes out of the water and takes his frog, and he catches it. I have never seen anything like that in my life. I mean, not that he did it to one, he did it to 2 frogs at the boat. I just thought that was absolutely phenomenal, and just figured I'd give you guys some context right there.
Yeah, it's time for the frog. I got that feeling. I saw him. He only looked about 2. Yep.
He's not even in all that grass. He's out behind it.
Pops off, it pops off. I just don't want to bring this grass up. Hey, buddy, swim. Oh, don't break me. Don't do that. Nah, don't do that. I'm just gonna let him swim out of it. He don't want to get out. That ain't a bad fish. See, they all have that football shape, dude.
They do.
I've never seen that in bass before. Like, all their heads straight up as soon as like it's past their mouth. Yeah, I'm such a good one. Oh, that is a football, dude.
I'm not leaning over the boat like that.
Look at that hook. Oh, you got one?
Oh, God. Oh my God, he's barely to the very edge of his jaw.
These fish
There he goes. Quick release.
are so chunky, man. Like, I don't think I've seen fish this healthy anywhere. Oh, hey, buddy. Bye. Little SD card. Whoo! Oh, double up! You got yours. They broke you off. Come on. Oh my God!
Oh my God, I missed him. Someone get up there.
That was a mega. And I have money because I'm feeling rich, baby. Let's go. Back there. Oh, yeah. Oh! Barely hooked. Oh, it popped off. I knew he was barely hooked. The only good time that the bite is like just absolutely on fire is top water. Well, how it has been lately. Yeah. I can't tell. I can flip him. Give him two. As healthy as you can get. Look at that, just a brute. Thank you, bud. Oh, God dang it. Scared the out of me. I was like, oh. Big one, giant. He's so on. I think he popped off. I think he popped off, man. It's like opening a damn Christmas present. I don't know if y'all saw that or not, but that was a freaking good blow up. Ethan, I don't know if you can relate to this, because I know all you throw is frog. Whenever that thing blew up, my rod was going to the water, literally on the blow up.
Oh yeah, dude.
He didn't do that, apparently. Giant. Net. He ain't huge. It's a good fish. He ain't huge. There we go. Whew. Freaking not even, maybe 3.5.
They always feel bigger than they are.
Well, especially on the blow up. You set the hook and they start. In 3, 2, 1. Nope. Brace for impact. Honestly, the bite was pretty good. I mean, it was definitely nothing to complain about.
Alright, so there you have it. That's today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you want to use the frog that I used in today's video, and Ethan also used it, the link is down in the description below. You can go pick up one for yourself. It's a really good frog. You gotta go check it out. If you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you don't miss a beat. I'm back on the daily video grind, so I'll be making new content for you guys every single day. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and until next time, JH Miller 1 out. See ya.